Online, am I audible? Online, am I audible? Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all? Good. Now, see, till now, we discussed HTML, we discussed CSS, we discussed Bootstrap. So, you have come to understand some basic things, isn't it? Now, how many of you completed the projects till now? Offline, raise your hands. How many of you completed the projects? Like at least one project in Bootstrap, or we did it in CSS, some projects, right? Okay. And we did it with final one as portfolio. I discussed. How many of you completed? None? How many of you completed HTML all? Okay, down. What about CSS? What happened? CSS only one, two, three. Okay. At least minimum five you should do. Okay. And portfolio or some other thing, one big project, complete project you have to do. And the same project, try to do it with Bootstrap also and make it responsive. Okay. Those were the goals after the holidays. By the time the holidays are over, the same thing I said it like before the first. Okay. And none of you did. The same thing we are going to repeat it for the after the holidays also. Okay. I want you to do. That doesn't mean the holidays are not from tomorrow. Okay. We don't know when it will be. I will mention it to you later. But still, whenever it is there, by the time they complete, try to complete them till Bootstrap. Okay. Whatever we are discussing in the JavaScript, sir, those things we will discuss. Okay. Now, today we will make it somewhat learning different. Instead of me teaching everything, you guys feel it like JavaScript is difficult. Now, actually, it is easy. So, everyone, take your pen and paper, and the online people can open your notepad. Let's make it as simple as it is. JS is not at all difficult. I will make it simple, Mayank. हो गया pen paper? Hey, don't borrow that also from someone, Ray. Yeah. Now, how it will go, I will I will do small things in the script. I will show you what is what, and I will give you one task. The solution which you think about the task, you have to write it. Are you clear with this? Yeah. Whatever the fundamentals we discussed, also we will come back. No worries. And JS is, the reason we do it JS is for the functionality of the page. The pop-ups or some things. You may think Bootstrap it is working, sir, but actually backend of Bootstrap is also JavaScript, na? Without Bootstrap, if I want my own, then you will go with this only. Now, first index.js. Let me take it whole thing. Control KC. Now, nothing is there in my index.js. Everything is commented out. Now, first thing in the JS. I will give you a detailed notes where you can read about the JS history and basically what is JS and all. Now, first thing, how to put comments in JavaScript. Let's make it as simple as it is. Okay. Let's not go to more depth now. There are two types. There are two types. First one, I will make it here this. First one, multi-line. Multi-line means it will start with a slash and then star. And here you can write whatever you want and how many lines you want until you put asterisk and slash. Sir, what if I forgot to put asterisk slash? Everything will become comment automatically. Clear? Yeah. Second one. Oh, asterisk slash I forgot. Now, second one. Single line comment. What is that? Single line comment. Single line. Now, single line comments will go with slash slash. What is that? Slash slash. And after this, whatever you write it, sir, only for one line. If next line you go, it will not become. Okay, it will be normal letters. Okay. There is no ending for the single line. For double lines, you need to put ending. Any doubts in it? Any doubts in it, sir? No, not at all. Good. Now our first task. Okay, why errors are coming here? Sorry. Hmm. Now, for the people who are already good in programming languages, these things will become slow because the point is, I want everyone to go it like how you go for HTML. Same competitive spirit should go for JavaScript. First task, right? Hmm. This is my first JavaScript code in single line and multi-line comments. Two, you have to do. Not having pen. Anyone have two pens? Like in a, it's like again elementary class. Good. Someone will give you. Don't worry. Always there will be some people who brings two pens. That's why we survive. He not even having a paper. Take out shirt. Let's write on that. Then take out some papers from someone. Some guy will buy book na. You can take a. Everyone is using papers. What are you? Someone will have a book. Take out a paper. Notepad. Using on the phone notepad. Open chat window. Whenever I ask to send it to someone, chat, they will read it. Seriously? Huh? Good idea. Whom you are gonna send? Be ready, it's not a girl. If you send it, they will block you. 100%. You send JavaScript code, block. Now, online you can do it with your pen or pencil or notepad, your wish, online paper. Now, I don't think it will take more time, right? Over? Yeah. Now, if you did it, sir, your answer must be this slash slash this or slash asterisk this. And if you write anything other, wrong. Clear? Then next. First important basic is comments. Second one, how do you connect to HTML, the JavaScript? The technical language we already spoke. Now connect to HTML. So I will just show you two ways. I think already we all know this, but still, okay. First thing, I will write it here script, and I will write it here inside the script box. I will write code. I will write the code, sir. Now, what code I wrote? Already I wrote this 2 lines code. I will take this and I will copy it and I'm pasting it. So what do you guys you do? You will put before one script tag and after one script. So in your notepad or wherever you are writing in your books. So before this lines, one script open, and after this line, no, don't close the script directly now. Leave some space and close it, so that in between you are writing your code. Okay. Or sir, you can write it somewhere else. Okay. You can write it somewhere else and you can give this here also. How you give it, sir? Script src. In that you will give the link. Till now doubt, sir? Till now doubts? This is the setting. So how do you set up? So connect to HTML. Internal, you will go with script tag, sir. What you will go? Script tag. And code something code, whatever you write, and then close script. Usually you can put the script anywhere you want, but preferably we will put at the end of body. Where we will put? At the end of body. Good. Now, next one, external. Good. External, we will write it like script src equals to, and we will give whatever the link we want, and then we will close. Online, I hope till now it's okay. At any point, online people feel a difficulty, you can just text me. Till now, offline, anyone felt difficulty? Is it clear? Yeah. Now, next one. Now, slowly, you will get it. Now, third one, variables. Okay. Is it clear, ma? So, now I will show you some things. I will show you some things and then I will give you one task. Okay. Whole class will work like that only today. Now, focus on what I'm showing it so that you can do. Okay. Offline people, I may ask anyone, show me your code. Okay. Be ready. Now, let's see here, sir. Sir, whenever I want to print on the console, I will write console.log, and whatever I want to print, I will give it here, sir. Console is used to print in the console, sir. In the developer tools, we have something called console. To print in that console, we will write it here console.log. What we will write? Console.log. Now, so if I take one variable, sir, I can take it let a equals to 20, some variable. And same thing, I can take it var a equals to var something b equals to 20. Or I can take it something like const c equals to 20. So variables, you can take it in 3 ways, sir. What are they? Var, let, const. Again, var, let, const. These three are 3 different ways now. Now, now you write it here, console.log a. Now what it will show? What is a value? 20. Now, what if here a write a plus plus, and if I print it, what it will show? 21. What it will show? 21. Okay, basically plus 1. We will discuss the operators also. Now, if I write it here, console.log, it will print a. Now, sir, if I write it here, a value next time, another one, a value 50. Now, what it will show a value? What it will show? Why, sir? Because here 20 is there. In the next line, you change it as. Can I do for C also like that? C equals to 30. Can I do it? If I do it, what will happen? Error will come. Why? Constant. Here, error. So, what is that error? Const means constant. So, constant values should not be changed. Once you declare one value, once you give one value, you should not change it, sir. Any doubts, sir? No. Now here, what if here I write let? If can I write again let? No, no, sir. Listen, let values should not be written two times. Let a equals to 20. Let a again to 30. It will tell you you should not redeclare twice. You should not redeclare twice. But where you can do all of this, sir. I can write again where b equals to 30. Okay. I can again write b equals to 50. Okay. So I can change the values. I can reassign values. They will call reassigning. Okay. And this is called redeclaring. I can redeclare values. I can reassign values. Clear, ma? But let you can't do that. And const also you can't do that. Let you can't declare, and const you can't even reassign. This is basic thing. Any doubts? Any doubts? Okay, hoisting is there, function scope, block scope is there. Don't worry, we will come back to it slowly later. Okay, but this is just a basic, a plain surface. Still have any doubts? No. Now task. Now task. Declare any three variables. Any three variables. Three variables. You can put whatever names you like. I put ABC. Three variables. One with let, one with let, and one with var, and one with const. Okay, and try redeclare and reassign for all and print them in console. Print them in console. Also guess the output. Guess the output. So I am saying you to only write it some simple code. I want you only guess that output also, what you will get. Then your code I will write it and we will see output. Right? Arey, someone give him paper ray. Pen లేదా? Seriously? Without seeing someone's do it? Online also try it, ma. If you are not getting single thing, also try it at least. So that I will understand where you are guys are sticking. See the question for online people. If you want, I will paste this question in the online also chat. हो गया? You got it? Give me. Oh, you think I can see from there? Bring it. कुछ नहीं होता. Give me रे. Did you wrote it anything? Did you write anything? Give me कुछ नहीं होता. अरे, did you put any drawings there? No, na. Why are you shy? अरे, anyone completed online? If anyone completed, can give me in chat also. Now, where is the question? Oh my god. See, this is the question, sir. Declare the, this is the question. Online people. Online people, this is the question. I want you to check write any three variables, each one with var, let, and const, and try to declare and redesign for all, if possible, and print them in console. That's no. Last girls wrote, completed. quickly. Okay. So Vaikunteshwar, someone gave me online some code also. I'm happy so that I can copy and paste it instead of writing. So I will use my logic to write it. Okay. So sir, what the sir asked? Sir asked to simple three variables. So I am taking variable names to QR. You can take whatever you want. So let P equals to 10. Let var Q equals to 20 and const C equals to, oh sorry, R or whatever equals to 30. Till now, nothing is doubt. Now, I asked you to do redeclare and reassign. So, P value, I can do redeclare. I can do 20. Sorry, this is reassign. So, redeclare if I write P equals to 20. No, I should not do that. Why? If I do that, my program will stop there only because error. So I will write it myself. Okay. Redeclare for let not possible. I will write it myself. This is how you should think. Are you understanding, ma? I'm giving you your mind how to think it. If you can train your mind like that, how to think, you will get it easily. Okay. Now next line. Okay. What about reassign? Reassign. Okay, I can do that, which is P equals to something 15. Ho gaya. The next Q value again. Q I can redeclare where Q equals to 30 and Q equals to 35. I can do redeclare and redeclaring means writing the whole statement again. Reassigning means giving an another value, assigning an another value. Now next const R equals to 40. Oh, I can't do that. Can I do at least reassign? No. So I will write it here. Redeclare and reassign not possible. Possible in const. Right or not? Then what is the last one he asked? I asked to print them in console and guess the output. So console dot log. I can write it in one line. Anyone write it like this P comma Q comma Q or in one line? That's good. You really wrote? Give me Ray. Come. But that is what the difference between your thinking and the normal one. If you just write console.log p, good, Ray, seriously, good. If you write console.log p, console.log q, console.log r, that is also right. Each one will show in one line. My point is, whenever you are writing, always think it how to make it quick, okay, so that you can make it better, okay. I'm not saying this is the only method. PQR also right. Console.log PQR. Now, what is the output I will get? I will get here. I will guess 15. I will guess here 35. And I will guess here 30 only. In the same line, I will get because I put it in the same line. But if you write each one differently, you will get different line. And Divil writes, Divil Munchware, online, whoever gives the code for Divil or Vaikunteshwar, both are right. What about the remaining people? Anyone have any doubts in this statement? Offline, everyone agree till now? You compared with your code and is it fine? Okay. And did you rectify your errors? That's it. Now you are gonna rock it. Now next one. Next concept. Basic variable declaration is easy, sir. Okay. Now next one. Now fourth one, data types. Data types. Sir, one important point before we go, one important point, ma. We are not using var much. Var is used in olden times, like before 2015, we used to use var much. But now we are going in our program. If we go for real programming, we will go with let and const only. Okay. Always keep it in mind. Okay. That is modern one. Anyway, data types are two types. Very good. Primitive and non-primitive. Non-primitive. Now, non-primitive also called reference. We will discuss why they are called like that and all in detail. Now, first one, primitive. What is that? Primitive. Now, in primitive, we have so many, sir. Okay? We have so many. First, some important note. We can find, we can find type of any value using type of method, using type of method. That means if I write type of A, I will get A type. If I write type of B, I will get B type. Whatever I give it inside the type of sir, I will get what is its data type. Clear ma? Is it clear till now? Now go here, and if I write next code in this only, I'm gonna remove it. Now here I will write what I wrote here, this code only. Huh. Now after this types, if I write console.log type of A. Now what I will get, sir? Sir, not A, type of P. What I will get? I will get number. Very good. Anil Kumar online writes, Neeraj writes. Good. So I will get number, sir. Let's just check it. If you go here, it's taking time. See, number. And I got this 15, 35, 30 also, exactly what I expected, right? Still have any doubt, sir? No? Now, let's go here. Let's go to my number logic. Now, if I want any data type, it will show number. Now, how do you take a number? Basically, you will write it here. You can directly take any number value, sir. In JavaScript, you will not have, like, if you are other programming languages, for numbers, you will write int A, int B, float A. You don't need to write anything like that. If I write it, let A equals to something 55, automatically it will only understand 55 is number. So automatically A should be number data type. A should be number data type. Now, if I give any point values, now what is the type of A? Number only. There is no float in JavaScript. In JavaScript, if you give point values, if you give normal values, anything basically is number only. Byte, short, int, long, float, nothing will be there. Everything is number. Okay. Any doubts? Now, next one, sir. Next one, sir. Here, numbers will have some methods. Numbers will have some methods. Now, I will show you some methods here. And after that, I will give you tasks. Okay. Now, go here. Let me write some methods here. Let A equals to 55. And I'm giving A. And now A dot. A dot. I can have so many methods, sir, here. But numbers, we will use only three methods mainly. Two fixed, two fixed. Okay, now let me change A value. If A value is 3.65898. Now, if I write A dot two fixed, A dot two fixed. Now, here, if I write 2, then what will happen, sir? Two values. You will get two values. Now, if I see only two values, it will round figure this one for the two values after the decimal. After the decimal. That is the difference. Two fixed will make it after the decimal. Now, if I do the same thing, sir, with two precision, what it will be? Two precision. Two precision means from starting. If I give before the precision to precision 2, first digit also will be counted. Not only first digit. Before the point, how many digits are there, it will counter. Okay. Now to precision. Before the digit also 1 is there. So after that, I want only 1. So 3.7. Any doubts, sir? Any doubts, ma? No. Now, or I can write it something called to string. What is that? To string. In to string, if I give any value, sir, it will take it as the base of the number. That is called radix or base of the number. That means if I give 2, it will convert the number into binary. It will convert the number into binary. If I give in brackets 8, what it will get convert? Octal. If I convert into 16, what will convert? Hexadecimal. Ah, then nice. Good. Now, next task. Next task, sir. Convert, no, take a number, sorry, not convert. Take a number, take a number, possibly a decimal value, and use two fixed, two precision, two precision, and two string, okay, to it, and console the answers, console the answers, and expect the output. Expect the output. Online, I really hope that you guys are doing it. If you don't do, it's your wish, it will be your bad. Offline, try it, ma. If anyone feeling difficulty, let me know. Okay. Not understanding question or anything, I will explain it again also. So simple. One more time, I am saying it. Now, I want you to try two fixed with a number two fixed, two precision, and two string. If anyone did not understand how the two fixed and two precision will works, but still write your program. Okay, when you are expecting output, you will get problem, na? Expect, you think and expect something. Okay, try to think, at least guess if you don't know. Anyway, I will do it. At that time, I will explain one more time. Okay, clear? Yeah. Is it done, sir? Come on. Done? Oh, you are good only, Ray. Nice. Output also expected. You are faster than machine. Nice. Okay. Akil Sadi gave me the code, so I will use his code only. Now his code is having so many troubles. Now send this notes. I will send it. Don't worry. At the end. Now, actually, whatever the code Akil Sadi wrote will not give anything because he is not printing anything, right or not? So there are two ways. Either I will give this answer into one another variable like result one, and then I will print it after this line console.log result one. That will work. Or I can directly write this code inside the console also, it will work. Okay. If you did not print it in console, it will, you can't see it now what it is happening. Divi is actually giving Divil is giving good. Now A dot 2 precision. Are you guys also write it similar? Where did you write the mistake? Did you write any mistakes or you wrote better? Better. अरे, that is possible, Ray. See, there isn't anything wrong. It's like each one different way thinking. Now, instead of directly writing it here, a dot 2 fixed, I will store this a dot 2 fixed value in some other variable and I will print it here. That is also possible. Each one will think it in a different way. Okay. Now, guess the output, Ray. First one, 2.367. 2.367. Why? After this one, see, 3 digits I want. Fixed means after the decimal 3. After the decimal 3 values. Now precision means from starting onwards. Now this guy is want starting onwards 4. So this is also same result will come. Right or not? Now if I write it here, 2 precision also 3, sir. Then 2, 3, 6 only 3 digits. So I will get 2.37. Yeah, three digits, na? From starting 3 digits came, na? Okay. Now last one. Obviously this one is not undefined, but this one will try to convert this one into octal. Okay. I can't guess it actually. You can't convert that one into octal one. If it's a normal number, I can try it actually. Now let me take this. Let's see my coding values and how it will work. Control C. Control C. See, I guessed first two right only. And third one, anyway, it's up above, below, beyond our imagination. It will convert itself. Okay. But understand it how it works. If I give it 2, it will convert the binary number. Okay. Those things you have to remember. Any doubts, ma? No. Now the same way. Let's discuss everything now in the same enthusiasm. Now, math methods are there. These were very funny and interesting. I will give you more task regarding it. Now, math methods. Very good. Today online, everyone is in Josh. People are writing code nicely because easy tasks. When you are getting difficult one, you will understand. Now, math methods. Sir, if you want, there are so many math methods. First, apps. Apps means apps, not absent, absolute. Absolute. Absolute means you said absolute only. I heard it as absent. Who is absent? Now, absolute means it will remove the negativity. It will always returns positive value. It will always result positive value only. It will returns the only positive values. If you give negative also, it will go positive. If you give 0 or negative or positive, it will go with positive only. Now max. Max will take 2 parameters. Max will take 2 parameters. For the people who didn't understand what is parameters, don't worry. Just in brackets, you will give 2 values. That's it. Okay. 2 parameters and returns maximum value. Returns maximum value. Now see, math methods, absolute, and it will returns the maximum value. Then same thing, min means returns the minimum value. Same thing, min will take the 2 arguments and returns the minimum value, sir. Minimum value. Then major things I'm discussing. Round. We have exponential, logarithms and all also, which are not much necessary. We have math.log, math.tech, exp, which is exponential and all. But I'm giving you basic ones. Round. It will round figure. It will round figure the value. You know, round figuring value, right? After next number, if it is 5 or greater than 5, next number. Then if it is less than 5, same number. Then same thing, floor and seal also will do, sir. Seal. Now, how they will work? I will give you each one example. Don't worry. Math, it will round figure, round figure to the lowest value, to the lowest value, and seal will round figure to the highest value. Is it clear, ma? I will give you the examples also. No worries. So, what more is there? Random. Random will give you random value. Random will return random value. Random means it's wish. Random value between 0.0 to 1.0, in between. It's like between 0 to 1. That's it. Okay. Between 0 to 1. In between it will give. Uh, Simple things you can understand these things also. SQRT will be there. Can anyone guess what is SQRT? Oh, very good. CBRT? Right, actually right. Now it will return the square root and cube root, sir. SQRT means square root. Is there any math stoppers here? Boys. Boys are there. No one maths? Give me this answer, Ray. Math dot SQRT 256. 256. Nah, 15. 16. Answer will be 16. Let me do this one then. Okay. Math dot online also be ready without using Google. Math dot CBRT 729. That just don't na. Math cube 10 cube only 1000 ray. How 13th cube will be 729? 9 it is. Good. Online some people went to 16. It is 9. 9 nines are 81. 81 nines are 729. Antala 9 table it is. 9 table it is. Anyway. But your system will tell immediately, Now go here. If I write it, now I will do all these things one time and I will give you your tasks. Okay. Now math.apps. If I give -8, answer will be 8. Very good. Math. If you write automatically, sir, anytime if you are free, if you see math, it will show you all the math methods. See, so many are there actually. Apps, sine. You can do, trigonometry also here. Sine H, cos H. In intermediate, for the people who knows, hyperbolic trigonometry is there, which is like sine H, sine Y, and all. So that much is not necessary in the normal JavaScript. Okay. If you are building any applications regarding the mathematical one, then you will go for it. Basic things, whatever I discussed, that are enough. Only in the rarest cases, you will go log, math.log. And that also you don't need to worry. If you write math.log, log will come. Okay. Yeah, one more thing, Ray. I forgot. This one will be right. I forgot one thing. It may be used so many times, sir. Pow. Pow means power. Very good. Okay, it will go with power, sir. Mathematical methods. Now, power means if I write math dot pow, if I write 2 comma 5, then it will be 2 power 5. What is 2 power 5? 1. 2 power 5? 32. 2 twos are 4. You know that? Have you ever played this game? Childhood? 2, 2 twos are? 4 twos are? 8 twos are? 16 twos are? 32 twos are? 64 twos are? 128 twos are? Let's someone will stop somewhere and let's see. Come on, 128 twos are? I'm not playing with online people because online people will have a calculator. They will not stop. 256 twos are? 512 twos are? Good. 1024 twos are? Double it. Even two. 4196. 4196. 4096. Yeah, I was wrong. 4096. Twice? Okay, I lost. Well, let's sort of. You played long. When I played with kids, they stopped at one point. Now, online, it's good. So, but the system will do it again and again and again. Okay, if you put it in a loop automatically. This is how POW works. Now, we have a shortcut also, actually, in sir, everyone focus here. In the JavaScript, we have one shortcut. Instead of writing this math, power and all, if you put two asterisks, it will consider as power only. 2 asterisk asterisk 5 will be 2 power 5. It is one of the shortcut in the JavaScript. Remember, ma. 2 asterisk asterisk 5 will be considered as 2 power 5. Okay. When you see it later, any codes, don't get confused with it. Okay. Anyway, when I explain operators, I will tell you this, but remember it now. Now, task. Okay. Take two values. Take two values and and print its maximum and minimum values. Maximum and minimum value. Minimum value. In between the both, what is the maximum and minimum? And next, take a value which is negative, which is decimal, negative decimal. It should be negative decimal, sir. Negative decimal. And try floor, seal, and round on it. Round on it. And then third task is use use random and generate generate uh generate what can we say, generate a random binary number. This is actually good. A random binary number. I don't want normal number. Again, think about it. I want every time a random binary number of 3 digits, of minimum 3 digits. Minimum 3 digits. Okay. So these are the tasks, and last but not least, hmm, okay, you try this three. In the meanwhile, I will thought about the last one what I can give. Last one is write quadratic roots formula in JavaScript. Hey, did you guys remember quadratic equation formula? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a in your intermediate. I want you to write that in JavaScript. You got my point? Huh, something challenging should be there, na? I think about it, right? If anyone complete the 4, let me know. And for the people who don't know the quadratic formula, I will give you. Don't worry. Anyway, it's my problem to give quadratic formula, na? Okay, first complete this 3, then I will show you the 4th one. I want you to write it in JavaScript. Okay. Quickly. Anyone completed all? Online, try it, ma. Sincerely try it. In case you are getting doubts, also let me know. But don't use Google. First one only stop. Doubt. First two doubt. हो गया. Third one thinking. Think. Third one need to think actually. Third one and fourth one. Randomly generated number which is of minimum 3 digits and it should be binary number. Use it, Ray. Use your brain. God gave you one. I'm expecting from you only. You can discuss with your friends also. Side, don't not calling. You can discuss with your friends who are side by. Online, anyone found the solution for third and fourth? Online people, third and fourth. First two are very easy. Hmm. Okay, let me figure it out. Anyone tried? Got it? Try, Ray. Okay, I'm giving you 2 more minutes. Third one, huh? You got one solution? నువ్వు అనుకున్నదే చెప్పు. కరెక్ట్ అనేది ఎవరు అంటారు? అండ్ 1000 చేసినావు. యాక్చువల్లీ సొల్యూషన్ కరెక్ట్. కానీ ఎక్కడ ప్రాబ్లం వస్తుంది తెలుసా? నార్మల్ గా ఒక 3 డిజిట్ తీసుకొని ఆ 3 డిజిట్ ని నువ్వు బైనరీ కన్వర్ట్ చేసావు కదా. నేనేమంటున్నా, బైనరీ కన్వర్ట్ అయిన తర్వాత 3 డిజిట్ లో ఉండాలంటున్నా. ఇప్పుడు ఈ వాల్యూ ఉందా? ఈ వాల్యూ అవును, నీకు అర్థమైంది. ఇప్పుడు ఈ వాల్యూ ఉందా? ఈ వాల్యూ ఏమవుతుంది? 999 అనుకో. 999 నేను బైనరీ కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుంది? ఇంత పెద్ద వస్తుంది కదా. నాకు వచ్చే బైనరీ రిజల్ట్ 3 డిజిట్ కావాలి. ఆర్ యూ గెటింగ్ మై పాయింట్? నువ్వేమైనా చెయ్యి, ఆలోచించు, ఏమైనా చెయ్యి. How to convert into binary digit? Pitta Kumar Swami. How do you convert into binary digit, sir? Two string. What is that? Two string with the brackets two. Now, and if again I'm saying it, you should have a basic mathematics knowledge of it. You know binary numbers? Who know binary numbers? What is binary number of 2? And 0. What is binary number of 3? 1, 1. Binary number of 3 is? What is binary number of 4? 1, 0, 0. So, whatever the numbers after 4, every binary number after 4, every binary number after 4. I'm getting my point. Are you getting my point? Every binary number which are after 4 will be 3 digit only. So, I want you to generate one number which should be greater than 4. Indirectly, I said that. Did you understand my logic? No, no. Let me repeat it mathematically. I said one logic. What is the logic is I want one binary number which should be minimum 3 digits. Binary number minimum 3 digits. The binary numbers, if I write it, sir, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, sorry, 1, 0, or 1, 1. So this is max to max 3. Max to max 3. Now, after this 4 will be written as 0, I think 1, 0, 0, which is 4. So 1, 0, 1, which is 5. If you know basic binary numbers, which is how. So it means any number after 4, any number after 4 will be any number which is more than 4, automatically what it will happen? 3 digits only. Then you can try it. Now, I will show you different logics. Now, one is this math at random. I am getting math at random and I am multiplying it with something, some 100 or some 1000. I'm getting random numbers, right? Right or not? And when you get random numbers, he said it like this is what your solution, okay? And I'm converting it into string, which is of binary. Huh? To string. Let's store it. Let a equals to math.random. And I got an answer 1000. A is already defined. Okay, C. Then C dot to string. And inside this to string, what I have to do? 2. Right? Sir, for this number, if I used 2 fixed or 2 precision, automatically it will become 3 digits now. Right or not? If I go with 2 fixed or 2 precision, if I go with whatever the number I want, I will store that number and I will go with 2 precision. That is one way. Or another way. Now, another way. This guy, different people goes with different answers. Now, if I write it here, math.random, if I multiplied with 5, no, you has to be minimum 4, na? By 5, what will happen? You will get less than 5. Are you getting my point? If you multiply, okay, there is no chance in that. No, you will not get like that, right? So if you multiplied with 5, you will get any value. You can make it math.ceil so that you will get less than 5, okay, which is 2 digits. So let's make your question somewhat different. I made it some different question, which needs some other things. minimum not. Maximum 3 digits. Okay. Max to max 3 digits will over by 8. So you can have it here. Max to max 8 if you go. And if you make it math.seal, automatically it will work. Math.seal and seal. And if you want minimum question only, we will go with loop, sir. Okay, we will go with if one statements. I don't want to go with now. Now let k equals to. So now what I did, sir, I just made it math.random so that I multiplied with 8. So whatever answer you are getting it will be something 0 point something or 1 point something or 2 point something or 3 point something or 4 point or 5 point, 6 point, 7 point, but it will never be 8. It will never be greater than 8 because you are multiplying 0.0 to 1.0 with value 8. Maximum value is 8. Are you getting my point? So in that I put it math.seal. Seal means always upper value. So you will never get 0 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 you will get. And that k value if I convert it into string. So I will get always one binary number, which is of max to max is this. Okay, why I'm getting it like this? Why 1000 only every time? K, K. Why K is 8 always? Huh. Math.random, math.random, asterisk 8, 5. If I write it here in the math.seal, I don't know where did I did mistake. Sometimes 7, sometimes 5, sometimes 1. That's perfect. Now if I store this and if I use this logic with the toString, okay, here directly it will not get. But if you use your normal logic, you can directly write also. Let k2, which is equals to this, and then k2 dot toString. If I go here and 2, and I will get Hey, it's not doing it. What is k2? Why k2 value is becoming 1? K2 value till now it's right. Huh? I didn't understand. You know why? Why? Because here first time his value is calculated now. That value you stored it in K2 now. Now if you want K2 value to change, again you have to calculate this now. Instead of that, I am using the same thing again and again. So that is why in the earlier times all I get it. Okay. Now anyway, this logic is right. Okay. Now next one. Now think about the last one, sir. Quadratic formula. Yes, that is right, Rakesh Babu. Now write it here. Quadratic roots formula in the JavaScript, sir. So it's like your program will take 3 arguments, 3 things, A, B, C if I give, and it should give me answer. See, everyone. So your task is so simple, sir. Don't worry, you will not do the math. And here I will give B value, I will give A value, C value. Write it, you only write. Let A equals to something, B equals to something, C equals to something. And write one formula. And after that, X value should calculated by system. And if you are good with maths, calculate that X value also. No need. Okay. Now basic thing it is, how do you write it? I want you to write it. Now I will write it in VS Code, this formula. In JavaScript, you can't write numerator, denominator now. In system, you can't write numerator, denominator. How do you write it? How do you put that square roots? How do you put these basic ones? So simple, sir. Quick. Hello. Write it quickly. So simple. Online, everyone, whoever thinks they can write it, they can write it in chat box also. I will write it in my VS Code. Program to find quadratic roots. Is anyone good here with quadratic roots, sir? Do you guys know why where we will use in real life time the quadratic roots? No, not in inter or 10th class, Ray. Not for exams in real life. Now, no Mohammed face, we will use it. In real life, actually, you will use it so many times. But not you are a developer. We are developers, we don't use it. But in future, you guys may, if you wanna shift into data, data science, or if you wanna shift it into AI, these things will play with you every day. Now, Rakesh is giving me one answer, so I'm copying it. Const A equals to 1, B equals to. So instead of writing it in two different lines, three different lines, I'm giving one line only. I think you know that, right? You can write it like this in one line only. 3. Sir, why you took a const, sir? Because once I give the values, I won't change it, na? Right or not? Those are the values for that equation. So now I will write it here. X equals to. Did I define A? No. Let's define it. Let X equals to minus B plus or minus. Okay, this one is difficult. You can't write plus or minus here. So you have to write plus separately, minus separately. Okay, mathematics will calculate parallelly. Your system will not. JavaScript will run line by line. So here you take x1 and you take another one, let x2. Because even in real life, even in mathematical problem, you will get two answers for that, right or not? I also will get two answers only. Minus b here, minus b plus, minus b minus. Now, after this, now square root, mathrot, sqrt, mathrot. That is the reason I told sqrt. Okay. Now, after this, b square. Sir, how do you write b square, sir? B power 2, mathrot pow. Brainless people. B asterisk b. When I write b power 100, if you write mathrot pow, it's okay. Normal times, why? B square only, na? B asterisk b. Now 4ac. 4ac. Don't write 4ac, it will not work. So 4 asterisk, A asterisk, C. You should tell everything like that. Same thing. Now will it work? No. Slash 2 asterisk A. This is will give so many errors. You know why? First thing, this whole should be numerator. So whole numerator should be in one parenthesis. And whole denominator should be in one parameter. Then whole parenthesis. You know operator precedence. We will discuss operator precedence. At the times of operator precedence, you will understand. Usually, first it will calculate which are in brackets. Like in maths, we will have something called BODMAS. That will be there in every programming languages. Okay, first it will go with brackets, then divisions, multiplications, and all. Now, anyway, same thing I will go with. Do everyone got the same, or anyone got any different? And obviously, what do I have to do? Console.log x1 equals to, I will write it here, x1. See, I'm just writing it like this. Then x2 equals to, there is no minus x. Okay, plus means concatenation. Okay, now here x2. Now it will give you the output, sir. If I go here and x1 not a number, so this is not getting in numbers. It is getting some other answers, so it is giving not a number, not a number. When JavaScript can't calculate, it will say not a number. Okay, it will not take your calculate scientific calci and calculate. Okay, it will just say bye bye. Okay, any doubts here? Any doubts? No. Now next one. Now next one, sir. Let's discuss another and interesting topic. What is the, seriously not a number, Ray? Calculate rather. I think you don't know quadratic. When you take 1, 2, 3, it is nothing but x square minus 2x plus 3. So x square plus 2x plus 3. If you take x square plus 2x plus 3, it will give complex values. It is in a complex number. It's not a normal number. అలా చూపించదమ్మా. When JavaScript can't calculate something, it will say NaN. What does that mean? Not a number. So it don't know. Indirectly, it will say like that. Okay. We humans are only great to calculate. Okay. But complex numbers will not be given because they are not real numbers. Okay. I ఉంటుంది చూసావా, అది ఐజే ఉంటుంది అంతే. అదే బేసికల్ గా అయ్యే ఉంటుంది. ఆహా, రైట్ రైట్. 3 డైమెన్షనల్ చెక్ చేస్తే జే కూడా ఉంటది. ఐజేకే అది వెక్టార్స్ లోకి వెళ్తే వస్తుంది నీకు. అలా కాదు, నార్మల్ గా ఏఎక్స్ ఏ ప్లస్ ఐబి అని ఉంటాయి. అవి కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్స్ అంటే అందులో జే ఉండదు. ఐ అంటే ఇమాజినరీ వాల్యూ, I² - 1. అరే బేసిక్ చదువుకోండి రే. ఎనీవే, యు ఆర్ ఎ డెవలపర్, యూ డోంట్ నీడ్ దిస్ ఆల్ basically. So if anyone knows perfect code means, if I give x² minus 3x plus 2, 2x 2 minus 2, x², 1 minus 2, 1. If I give minus 2, 1, if I give, then x² minus 2x plus 1, it should give 1 and 1. Perfect. Happy? Yeah. Anyway, after this, next one, sir. Let's do the next questions. Slowly the complexity slowly increase. Use your brain. Okay. Now, this time it is the easiest topic called strings. Strings. Okay. Now, listen, I will give you some simple challenges, but it should need your brain. Okay. Now, focus on what I'm saying it. Strings are used to define constant values, a constant values, like names or letters You can take basic characters also. Characters also. Okay. Now, example, let A equals to Raj. Okay. It will store, it will store the values. It will store the values like A of 0. It will store it in an array form. A of 0 in the first index, it will store it as R. And then A of 1 is A. And A of 2 is J. It will, even though you gave it as string, it will take it as array. Basically, string in any programming language is an array of characters. Okay, it's like a box, array means. Okay, now this text you can give, yeah, you can you can assign strings by single or double quotation marks. Single or double quotations. There is no difference. If you write single quotation or double quotations, there is no difference in the JavaScript. Okay, but if it is in another language, difference is there. Okay, when to use when, that's up to you. Okay, right or not? In రాసుకోవచ్చు. Multi-line, single line, it doesn't matter. When you start a double quotation, until you end that quotation, it will be string only. If you write a full paragraph, if you write a full paragraph also, it doesn't matter. Okay, now I will write it here. Now, simple task, first task. Take a sentence, take a sentence uh, and store it in variable, in one variable, and console it. Console it means in print in console. Now I will only give you the string, don't worry. I want you this string only, exactly. I want exactly this only. The time is 12 o'clock. I know it is not 12 o'clock, but I'm saying it. I want you to print this. The time is 12 o'clock. How do you write it? Okay. And in next variable, in another variable, do it the column set, do it. I want this also to print. I want two strings to print. Good. I want these two things to print, sir. Which one to use, where you can do it? Is it clear, sir? Any doubt, sir? Now, let me do it. I hope online you are getting it. Yeah, Rakesh G is right. Now, sir, if I am printing it, sir, what do I do is, I will write it. If I have to write, I will write console.log str1 and console.log str2. Okay, I did not write str1 and 2. It will be an error. Let me write it here. Let str1 equals to double quotations. Why did you use double quotations, sir? If I use single quotations, in the middle, I have already a single quotation. 12 o'clock. Now see, instead of double quotation, sir, there is no difference double or single. If I remove this and if I use single quotation also, no problem. But only problem is, if I use single quotation, what will happen? Here another single quotation is there, na? It will think the string is over. Now this o'clock will become error. Okay. So that is why, to embrace it, I will use something called double quotation. Now, sir, I want to use single quotation only, but I want to get that dash also. Listen, I want to use single quotation, but I want to get the dash. Both I want. In that case, you can put something called slash. Not this here. Here, slash. Huh? Why it is not working? Slash. Basically, slash. Okay, back front slash. Yeah. If I use front slash, it will work. Those are called escaping sequences. What are they called? Escaping. That front slash n, if I put new line, if I put front slash n, new line, if I put front slash t, tab space, it will be 5 spaces. Okay. So those are escaping sequences. What are these escaping sequences? Basically, any programming languages will never read your string. Inside the string, if you write Bahubali story, it will never read it. But if you put any escaping sequences, it will read that. Okay. Now, if I just give empty escaping sequence, what will happen? Next thing will be ignored. Then this will be ignored in my screen. Okay. Then same thing. If I write it here instead of this, if I write here slash n, according to it, the time is 12, and in the next line I wrote o'clock. Okay. So try to understand this basic, and then next, let str equals to str2 equals to. Now, Kalam said it. I can use double quotation or I can use single quotation. Single quotation, I'm preferring it because I don't want to use this escape sequences and all. So simple, na? Do it. Okay. I hope it's clear for some people who did it in online. It's exceptional. Very good. Mohammed Faiz did nice. Or Rakesh, nice. Okay. Now, what is this str1? The time is 12, I said, and I put escape sequence so that the next one will not be, considered. Or no, sir, I want it in the same way, then go with double quotation and it will work absolutely fine. It's about two different approaches, sir. Okay. Any doubts, ma? Any doubts till now? No? Now, let's go into the more deep of strings. Hey, it's just 3:30, Ray. Let's discuss some few things, simple things. Now, sir, if I take any string, I will directly write it here. String also have default method, sir. If I go here and take a string here, let str equals to, see, I'm taking one string, sir. JavaScript is so funny and easy. So fun and easy. Now if I write str, I'm getting this. Now what if I write type of str? What do I get? String. It will come string. You guys remembered? Yes. Then next, if I write str of 1, if I write str1, what will get? A. What? Because space is there. Before J, space is there. Okay. Now usually it should be 1. Now, then next, anyway, we have so many methods, sir. I'm going to go with one method. Now, here, trim. You know what this, no, we will discuss trim and all in detail, but basically simple things I will go. To lowercase. To lowercase. What it will do, sir? It will convert whole thing into lowercase. Or if I have something to uppercase, because already it's in lowercase, na? Uppercase means capital letters and lowercase means small letters. See? So simple, na? Any doubts here? But remember one important point, sir. In JavaScript, strings are immutable. What are they? In your languages also it's immutable, right? What does it mean by immutable, sir? You cannot change? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Now tell me. For example, see, if I write let A equals to Raj. Array. If I write let A equals to Raj, and if in the next line A equals to Prasad, will it work or not? No, not only in my language, in JavaScript. Will your programming language work or not? It will work, na? No, for the people who did it, it will work, right or not? Why it is then changing now? Print on? No, no, my point is, with the user no address. See, what according to me, what I know, A value Raj. Next line, what I know, A value Prasad. A value changing na? Are you understanding my point? Huh? Okay, what I can't do then tell me. Tell me Tell me the what does it mean by immutable? I want exact one. See what I can't do. You tell me one thing, I will do. If it gives error, same thing your Java works or .NET works or Python works, my system also. Now online, but we can change the whole thing. Yes, that is true. We can change the whole thing, but it will create a new things, but you cannot modify. Very good. Actually, it was similar answers. You guys also. Now let me tell you, when you are changing, if I'm changing Raj to Prasad, whole Raj will be replaced with Prasad. That is acceptable. Same address for your kind information. But you cannot change Raj to, cannot exactly remove A and you can put RJ. You cannot do some operations according it. Okay. For example, if I write A dot, yeah, who is this? Now, if I write it here, go and check it here. If I write str.to uppercase, what happened? Uppercase it converted. Now if I write str, what it will come? I will get that string. Uppercase or lowercase? Lowercase only, because it never changed. Only to show you that output it will do at the time, but it will not change the actual value. The actual value will always stay. Whatever operations you do on the string, sir, the operations will not change it. The operations will just only bring you a new result to you, but it will not actually alter the original values. That is called immutability. Okay. Are you clear, ma? Now, I'm happy that majority of the people already have strong basics. Now, str, you have char at. Caret means character at. Character at. Now, if I write it here, 3, what I will get? Sir, my program starts with, my code starts with space. A. Now, A, V. 0 is space, 1 is J, A is, sorry, 2 is A, and then 3 is V. So if I give 3, sir, V. Character at that particular index. Now what if I give character 100? 100 ray. If it is your Java, it will give error. It's an exceptional error. But my JavaScript thinks it is an empty. It will think the string is unlimited. My string is limited. But it will think it like if you give my JavaScript here 1000 also, it will never say that your string is already ended at some 13 or 14. It will say it. Don't get confused. In interviews, they will ask you this only. Okay. Huh? Why can't? In Python? In Python, last value will be there. Okay, I don't know. Huh. In Java, it will be exception error, out of bound exception. Now, anyway, now if I go with str dot length, if I go with str dot length, then what will happen, sir? It will give you length. Length means total number of characters, sir. Even space is considered one character. So total characters it will count and it will give you length. Any doubts in it? Last one. What if I want any index? Index of. Very good. At what value it stores? Now, if I give index of A. What I will get, sir? So many A's are there, na, then first one only it will give. If so many A's are there, also it will get. Don't. Okay. I'm not giving any Oscar there. Okay. So it will give only the first one. Now, what if I want last one? No. You are not getting. I want the index of last A. Last index of. I can write it something called last index of. What is that? Hey, last index of. Then I will get the last one. What if I want middle one? No, there are no methods like that. You have to do on your own. Okay. Now these are basic methods, sir. In tomorrow's class, we'll discuss strings and boolean and other data types. We'll complete it. But is it clear today? Believe the JavaScript is easy. Okay. And it will be good. Yeah, that's it. Online, any doubts, ma, today? Tomorrow class is there. Okay, don't think it like that. Okay. No, holidays, I don't know when it will start, but I'm 100% sure not tomorrow. Tomorrow class is there. Okay. You want holidays? Huh? Seriously? Now online, if anyone doubts, you can let me know, ma. If you are still not confident about string methods, I will explain it tomorrow again. No worries, online.